What's up, y'all? I got a bit of an interesting day today. I'm going to meet up with my my dance crew and my friends that are doing like an audition for a team, like a youth dance team. Bit of a long day, but kind of fun. I get to go to Vancouver and ride the SkyTrain. So yeah, let's get into it. So we have this really cool thing in Vancouver called Robson Square. Basically, it's like an ice rink. During the rest of the year, when it's not an ice rink, it's pretty much the central hub for dancers. You know, there's a lot of dancers here that come to practice. They come here to teach. The Vancouver Street Dance Festival is hosted here. It's a cool space because it's beautiful and it's free. You know, like there's not a lot of places in the world that have free spaces to dance in that are just public, and even the security guards don't mind. And I mean, look at it here, it's beautiful. I'm filming on the A7S III, and I got the Sony 20mm 1.8 on there. I am filming on the Ronin S2 right now with the small rig sidearm. DJ Mega Man with the speaker, with the pink, with the babes.
I got me some baby babes.
They're more fun and they're easier to write a big number.
What's that? I don't know.
Hey guys, I just wanted to stop this video in the middle just because I kind of felt like things changed a little bit for me as I was making this video. Going into this day, I really felt a lot of confusion over what I wanted to do, what I want to do with YouTube, or what I want to do with my kind of creative career or my life, I guess. I always bounce around between things, you know, like whether I think I should get into weddings, whether I think I should get into more corporate work, and I always kind of shove aside the things that I've sort of grown up with. You know, I don't know if this is just like a human nature sort of thing, like you want to get away from yourself a little bit. You want to like reach out to somewhere that's more challenging. I think after this day, it really made me realize that I have this like community of people and this community of dancers specifically who I really enjoy being around. And we got Morgan, aka Ultraman, running the show today apparently.
We got Gigabots auditions going down today, 1 to 4. You know, it's a little smoky out, but we're making it work. We got masks, help us breathe. We're gonna pick our teams: Ultra Animation, Mini Bots, Nano Bots, Mega Bots, all of the bots.
These are the people that I've grown up with. My best friend AJ, I've known him since 2007 or 8. And we've been dancing together in the same dance group for, you know, ever since then. We've been able to travel around the world. We've been able to compete in some of the biggest competitions in the world. He's taken it to a full nother level. He does this thing full time. It's crazy. I've always kind of been the guy that documents everything. You know, I've always loved taking photos and filming funny videos or just documenting the day. You know, when vlogging was still cool, I felt like I wanted to vlog my life. I wanted to vlog this dance experience, this experience of these people in my life, because I just find them so interesting. I really do feel like I'm my best self. I'm my most natural, my most honest, I feel like I'm the funniest when I'm around them. I just feel very comfortable around them, and I think it's just because, you know, like I've grown up around them. You know, we all have those certain people in our life who, whenever we hang out with them, they tend to give us more life than we had before. Whenever we hang out with them, you just feel inspired, you feel full again whenever you hang out with them. For me, it's those people, you know, it's my friend AJ, Morgan, you know, it's my students, it's these other kids that, you know, were our students back in the day, and now they're starting to take over as leadership roles and do sort of the roles that we were doing for them, and now they're doing for the next generation. And I love it. I really love to see that. I think that's the most gratifying thing about sticking with something for a really long time, is that you start to see the fruit.
Bryce, get a close-up on the sign across the street.
It's a funny sign.
Cigarettes after September 13th. But this is Damon, aka Baby Bread.
Baby bread.
Baby Bread. Certified
Cool guy.
cool guy. He specializes in being cool,
Yeah.
making cool beats and dancing cool.
You
Right?
got that right.
You're very told.
It starts to really benefit your life in a way that, like, you never thought it could. And I feel incredibly grateful to be a part of this community. Seeing how many people came out to audition for Gigabots. It took a really long time to get here, you know, to gain the trust and gain the respect of people to put their time and money into learning from us. It's such a gratifying experience. You know, I hope that I can somehow merge these two avenues, you know, video and dance. I don't think that I can do one or the other without the other. Like, I feel like they really coincide in my life.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Wonder Guy. This is Geek. Geek is from my dance crew. He's also a certified mortgage broker. He lives in London. And you know what? He's my only ginger friend.
There's so many gingers in the UK.
Really?
It's insane.
Well, it's because you guys have like Ireland and Scotland and stuff. Yeah.
But it's actually like surreal walking around being, oh, there's another redhead.
You guys just
There's
look at each
another
other and just
redhead.
go.
They don't. It's normal to them. It's weird to me.
Fair.
Yeah, I hope that I can continue to film more content around the dance culture here in Vancouver, or even just like the dance culture around Canada. If you want to see more of the stuff that I do, the more of the stuff that my friend AJ does, you can follow him at AJ_Megaman. And then there's also Ultraman. I'm just gonna tag them all right here. Yeah, and then on my channel, if you want to follow me on Instagram, you totally can, because, you know, I've tried to post a lot around dance and a lot of things that have to do with dance, but also like I'm trying to post a lot more of like filmmaking stuff. And I love talking about filmmaking and I love talking about gear, but it can be kind of exhausting sometimes, and sometimes I just don't really want to talk about it. Anyways, a bit of a random video today, but I'm sort of trying to figure out my path, and instead of always trying to figure out my audience here on YouTube, I'm trying to figure out, you know, how I want to conduct this thing. You know, I don't want to always just do what the algorithm wants me to do. I want to try and do what I actually feel most natural doing. And yeah, so if you want to follow me, definitely subscribe, definitely hit the like button. It helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Alright,
Should be understudies.
from what I saw than Anna, but I think